So beautiful! What's that? You wanna fly, huh? Let me see what I can do. This is pretty cool, right? Enjoy your wings, girl! Wow, they're just gorgeous! Have a safe flight, Barbie! Isn't she beautiful? See mine? Ooh, looks like they're colliding! Oh no! They're coming back! Oh no! This is all your fault! No way! Ugh, you're so annoying! Ugh! Hey! Whoa, where are we? Our Barbies are here. And they're a hot mess. Is this gum even mine? Yours? No. Mine does smell, though. A little help?
What's that smell? Hold on.
Oh, I see. Here, sit.
Well, okay then. That stank will be gone in no time. I need gloves. Much better. Let the glitter bath commence. Feels nice. But we need some bubbles. Enjoy your bath, dear. Scrub-a-dub-dub indeed. I can feel the dirt lifting. Can't forget between the toes. Now for those golden locks. Nice. Now rinse. Wow. It's like a new Barbie.
She looks incredible. Wow.
Glad to be of service. I almost forgot.
I don't think so.
You wanna keep it? Alright then.
Welcome to my salon! Since your favorite color is pink, we're taking your hair there, too. Wow! It's already starting to work. Can you tell? Just have to wait for it to dry. Ugh, how do you get gum out of hair? It's really stuck in there. Maybe I can just comb it out. Ugh, is anything happening? Oh no. There's only one thing left to do. Turn you into bald Barbie. I have no other choice. I'm so sorry. She needs hair. Wait a minute. I've got tons of hair to spare. Ha! I just have to collect it all. Let's make you a wig. This balloon will work perfectly. We want it nice and snug. Then comes the glue. Lots of glue. Now for the most important part. Nice. I'm loving this color for you. So fabulous. It's even better than before. But this fit is so not it. Boy, this dirt is really bad. But we can make do. Beautiful. Check out these new locks. You're looking at pure fabulosity. Wow, shiny. Yeah, but is it pink? Hers is. Huh? What was that? Is it raining? Sorry, my chocolate habit. Wrappers, huh? So much potential. She wants to play with trash? Okay then. Wow, an old sock? Yikes. I'll just use it for something else. I love a good recycling moment. I just have to think outside the box. I just need this top half. And remember this wrapper? I have a trick to really make it glimmer. Hello, fringe. This takes things up a notch, don't you think? Slide on in. Hello, fabulous. Look at all these colors. I sure do. I want a cute outfit, too. You can use what you already have. You know? Just a thought. Or what about this? You mean my hair clip? That's not a bad idea. Let the creativity begin! Can you guess what I'm gonna make? It's definitely gonna be pretty. This is Barbie's outfit we're talking about. Ta-da! What a fun outfit! And it fits like a glove. Don't you think? Oh, I almost forgot. Ahem.
Your shoes, miss.
These are pretty cute. Just hold on. I have shoes too. Wow, look how cute they both are. They both have such cute fits. And mine's one of a kind too. Ditto. Double the cuteness, double the fun. This is gonna be the biggest haul ever! Whoa! You see that? It's solid. Weird. Don't worry, I'll solve this mystery. Reveal yourself! See? It's a Barbie! A very sandy Barbie. I can't believe it. I want to discover something too. There's gotta be something under here. Aww. I think I'm just lucky. No, I know there's something in here. Ugh, this stinks. Wait, look! I see a face! It's a doll! And she's super pretty! Wow! Mine's better. That's not true! I got here first! No way! Ah! Wow, look at this place. I've got some big plans. See? My own Barbie dream house. Seriously? I could use one of those.
You rang, miss.
I want what Betty has.
Say no more.
Cardboard? What do I do with that? Next.
Perhaps this suits your fancy. Very well then. Welcome home.
This is just fantastic! Even the walls are pink. And there's furniture and art too. Wow, thanks. You like your new digs? Well? Oh, your hair is filthy. Not acceptable. Some help?
I suppose you need this?
You'll be sparkling clean in no time. Thanks to your new tub, of course. I'm all about a luxurious bath. Get in while the water's still warm. Doesn't this feel nice? Nasty dirt be gone! From head to toe, scrub, scrub, scrub. That's a whole lot of dirt. Just look. Whoa, look at that bath. You could definitely use one of those. I bet I could make you one. Got it! I have a great idea. Wow. All empty. Can I have that? The old bathwater? I guess. Wow, thanks! Now we're getting somewhere. In you go. Ugh, gross. You're washing her hair in that? Hey, water's water. The dirt is totally coming off. All clean. Isn't she cute? Aw, they're super clean besties. And so cute. Come on, faster, faster! I'm so gonna win this round. Oh. What? You wanna drive too? Oh, I got you. Yes. One. Cool, thanks. Awesome. Oh, it's even better than I imagined. Just look at it. It's just perfect for you. See? Whoa! But it could use some decorating. I'm thinking lots of glitter. Is there anything more fabulous? And look! Stars! But it's all about the bling-bling. Gold, am I right? How else will people know we're rich? Now for the final touch. Ice water for the win. It brings out all the color. Get in there, girl! Let's take this baby for a spin. It's just perfect! What? This box is just so bulky. You can have it. Huh? What? I want to ride! Wait, you went shopping? With what money? Tell me! Wow, the things you must have seen! But wait, the box! Things are looking up. Time to assemble this bad boy. Something tells me I'll be needing lots of hot glue. Don't let it dry yet. There. So far so good. Now onto the wheels. I may not have gold, but this ride is still gonna be fab. Last one. It's starting to look like a car now, but it needs a tad more structure. Perfect! Now for the dash. The road will look great through here. Gotta have mirrors. And headlights, too. Now that the structure's done, it's all about the special details. This is where the real creativity shines. It's all coming together now. And it'll fit all your shopping bags. Now get in and get going. Have fun out there. Just you and the open road. Beep beep, baby. Wow, so cute. I mean, I guess it's cool. Now it's time to race. Don't forget to subscribe for more.